In Filmora video editor, this is a timeline area, this is preview or player area, this is playhead, and this is side panel for editing options. To make the player preview field larger, bring the cursor over border. When it changes the shape, then drag it to set player size. Similarly, you can also change the size of timeline area where suitable to you. Click File and then select Save Project As for the first time. But after that, you will only select Save Project each time after some edits. To add video or image in Filmora, select Media tab and click Import button. Then click Import Media Files option. Here select and open the video file from computer. To edit the video, you need to bring it into this timeline. Just click on it and drag into timeline. Alternatively, just hover over the image or video and click plus icon to bring it into Filmora timeline. To split video, bring the playhead over preferred location and click on split tool attached to playhead. Alternatively, you can use the scissors tool. You can also click this blade tool to activate quick split. It is only useful to make several cuts in video at once. Click the icon again to deactivate it. To remove a part of video from the middle of clip, make 2 cuts, then select the cut out part and click delete button. To crop a video clip, select it and move the handles outwards. Alternatively, click the crop tool and in new window, select the portion of video to keep. Select the aspect ratio as custom if you do not want to maintain the original width and height of the clip. The speed and duration tools work in connection. For example, if you decrease the video duration, it will automatically increase the speed of video clip. You can insert text over video either through Titles tab or this text tool. For example, I took this 3D text. Click on the text and on the right panel, you can enter your own text. Here you can select a different font. Scroll down to select some other 3D text style. I do not want animated effect on the text. So I will click 3D animation tab and select none. I will select text, then under title panel, click animation to apply my own animation effect to the text. Here you can select your favorite animation. You can resize text either through handles in player or through this slider inside panel. Similarly, to change the position of the text, either move position sliders or click on text in preview and move it around. Click on transitions, download it and drag the transition effect over timeline and drop it preferably at the middle of 2 clips. Playback to review it. Click on stock media to add a stock photo or video to the project. Check mine for your saved media. For example, I can drag this image over my video timeline. Bring cursor over the side and then hold and move it to set the duration of image. Select image and bring cursor over X or Y scale value. Then hold and drag it to change the size of image. You can do the same with image handles. To apply mask to this image, select Mask tab and click your favorite shape. Resize the mask. To move the mask, click on the corner of masked portion and drag it around. Similarly, you can also add watermark or logo image to your video. Move slider to set the opacity of image. To add a subscribe animation to your video, click Stickers tab, search, then download your favorite element and then drag it over video and set its duration, position and size. Playback to preview it. Through this slider, you can view layers in timeline. Right click on the video and select Detach Audio. It helps to edit the audio and video separately and independently. To cut the audio, select it in the timeline and use the split tool on playhead. Select any audio clip to delete it. Select this button to lock the background layer. Click here to mute or unmute the sound. Keep the preview quality low for smoother playback while editing. Don't worry about the blurry playback because it will not affect the final quality of the video after exporting it. To save an image from your video, select the full playback quality in the preview window. Now click on the camera button to take screenshot. To change the project aspect ratio while editing, click File, then Project Settings. Here select your desired aspect ratio. To use undo or redo buttons to revert or restore any change. Drag this slider to zoom in or zoom out the video clip in timeline. Use this button to preview changes in full screen. To record your computer screen or your own voice, select Media tab and click Record button. Finally, to export only specific video clips, select them in timeline, then right click and select Export Selected Clips option. To export everything, click Export button. In video export settings, keep the video resolution, frame rate and the bitrate values the same as those in your original video. These are my settings, but these might not be right for you. Therefore, I highly recommend you watch our other detailed video for the best export settings. Please check links in description and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for liking this video. Watch more Filmora tutorials.